am technically point of view explaining. So basically I have total 7.5 years. Basically journey starting is mobile application development, 2016 after graduation completing, and then also working on side by side is backend side we are using NodeJS technology. So basically Node.js, yeah, primary skill is mobile application using React Native, and secondary is Node.js. So Node.js inside we are using firstly JavaScript, also TypeScript, almost TypeScript on working on 4 years, and Node.js inside multiple we are using libraries. So I'm working also REST APIs, also GraphQL APIs. GraphQL inside we are also using Nest.js framework is very good framework, and yeah, both side working GraphQL inside also. Right now I'm working on a GraphQL using a Node.js. Like this, and mainly working on domain sector. So right now also current project is finance related, domain, and e-commerce related. Yeah, like this overall journey. And yeah, I created own npm packages, also publishing publicly. So another developer also using my own npm packages for related utilities sums. Yeah, like this. Yeah, thank you. Yes, I already create. So you can go to npm package and you can type takeable. So takeable is, yeah, just second, I will show you also. Wait, yeah, I hope my screen is visible, correct? So just second, npm packages. So here you can type takeable. So here almost all like React restyle component. After that is React Native verify OTP, React autocomplete, group by, responsive pagination. So like this. Yeah, almost 7 packages almost created. Yeah, I think some node related, some react related. So yeah, like this. Also we created storybook how to use a component like this. Yeah, like this. Basically I'm here working on front end and back end. So packages is mostly created more front end side, react related side, react and react native, like this. Yes, here also we added the output like this. Yeah, just second, very stop, I think. Yeah, node package. So basically node is maintaining the libraries or version controlling external libraries we are maintaining. I actually your question is what are you maintaining the npm, you saying, correct? So yeah, so basically we needed third party any libraries or external library, then we are using npm through installing the libraries and maintaining the dependency like this, version controlling also. Yeah, CLI utilities also provided npm, so multiple. So basically yeah, npm, and we are also yarn using. Yarn is also good way maintaining. So basically quickly downloading the packages, and yeah, like this. I think right now I am using 18 point some 18.2, I think. Yes, let me, yeah, 18 point, correct. No, basically starting is mobile developer, but right now I'm both side working, Node and mobile application. Yeah. Yeah, current project inside CV is Indian mobile banking. I see. I think, yeah. Indian mobile banking is banking sector bank creating mobile applications, and bucket is Node.js we are using like this. Yeah, unit test cases out of 5, 4. Yeah, we are using just yeah, Node.js. Yes, out of 5, I'm saying you 4. So basically, I rated test cases both side, Node and mobile application side. We React Native side, basically we are using React testing library. React testing library using JS combinations. So each and every file wise we writing test cases like this. Yeah, we rendering the component and matching data test id. We added React side, and then we are checking condition key to be match or get by test id, and specific test id we can passing and checking output is properly updating or not updating. In case your state is updating, then act is using, and once your the component is updating, then your next test cases we are writing. Yeah, like this, to be equal, like this, to be document in present or not, like this. Yeah. Pardon? Node.js inside Express.js we are using framework. So Express.js is like the middleware. So there is communication, web and mobile applications, and also backend. And backend side we are using Mongo's libraries. So communication for the backend database. Yeah. Then yeah, correct. Multiple libraries using requirement wise. So validation for is different, backend for different. So like this. Yeah. Also the some cases your file is not uploading, image is uploading, then I think mutular I think we are also using. Okay, traditional server I don't know, but Express.js server is firstly you can Express.js firstly you can initialization, you can assigning the port, and you can execute start your server. As traditional I don't know, but there is asynchronously you can calling the APIs like this gate, like this firstly app dot gate, inside writing a callback functions. You can defining a pathwise create endpoints and calling the backend endpoint like this. Okay, error handling basically like this. You saying ki some unauthorization person is coming. So authorization for middleware we are using. So middleware through we are using JWT tokens or JWT. Yeah, JWT tokens. Inside we passing some verify signing firstly specific your user ID on some keys and generating token passing to the client side. Client side is always every API inside header inside you are passing to the token, and token we checking firstly token is valid or not valid using verify function. Once your the token is verified, then the middleware is calling to the next APIs. Otherwise you can return the unauthorized person and sending to the error code to the end user like this. Yeah, middleware basically we are using. Pardon, you saying? Okay. Yeah, app.use basically you can pass any middleware's layer. So sometime you getting a cross issue, then we can app.use and passing to the object of the cross is star access to the all the portals. You can pass a specific port, then can you use a specific IP address, or you can pass a specific port also use. So and any another middleware we can passing to the global level, then app.use inside of passing over the some condition like this. Your voice is actually is very, you saying app dot. Okay, app dot root means basically creating a root. Okay, so you're saying root na, correct na, root. So basically we creating a multiple endpoint. So REST API, GraphQL is a single endpoint. There is another concept, but REST API inside a multiple endpoint available. Each and every module wise endpoint is available. There is, we are using a root or a root actually, and global level some configuration we are using, then we are using dot use like this. Yeah, we can create using our own modules. So there is create a module, some creating files, and module dot export. So exporting the some feature function object, and another function we are using import, and otherwise you can using a ES5 inside record import the firstly file, and you can use it. Yes. Error callback basically once your the statement is calling, then calling to the next function like this. Callback hill you saying, correct? Okay, callback hill means nested of the calling again, calling again, callback inside again, callback using callback inside again, callback is a very complicated method. This is actual callback hill like this. You saying? Yeah, API. Yes, we are writing also APIs. Yeah, Postman. Yeah, Postman mostly we are checking. Also, Visual Studio Code inside inbuilt also extension available. So there also we are. Correct. Okay, basically API for we are using JSON, GraphQL also for we are using GraphQL, and you saying raw and form data. Okay, form data means basically you have any file sending. Okay, so you sending some images, you sending some file, PDF, text. Then we are using form data. Okay, raw, I guess I'm not using raw. Yeah, JSON using, form data using, GraphQL using, actually raw not using. Yeah. MongoDB. Please pardon again. Actually, I'm not understanding. Okay, okay. MongoDB inside we inserting record create, correct? So yeah, basically you will firstly create a MongoDB database, a collection documents, and there is Node.js inside global level. You firstly connected to the MongoDB. So your connection is Mongos. Actually, previously is there is two package, Mongo client and Mongo server, but there is some limitations coming, so we are using Mongos. So yeah, single package. So Mongos firstly connect to the client side means basically you are the local IP address you can passing Mongos Atlas, so server side, and your connection is successfully. Then we are creating your the schemas, then modules, and once the schemas module is ready, then you can collect to the data and insert to the MongoDB. So like the db dot user dot create inside, you can pass a single or JSON format data like this. Okay, Azure service basically app service you saying, correct? Azure's, yes, yes. Yeah, Azure side is almost a multiple service we are using. So like this container, Docker we are also using. Azure service basically app service we are using app service. So there is Node.js is ready. Then we are deploying on the server side. So they, then Azure side, Azure portal side of we are creating app service. App service we are using Node. There is also multiple framework like these app service create time asking, so which you platform using .NET or Node.js, and another is I think PHP something. So we are using Node.js. Then your app service is ready. Then app service on the you can multiple way available. So deploy your code using Dockers, using directly Azure GitHub to the link to the app services also available. So basically we are using Docker to the app service. Yeah. So your node is ready. Then one creating a Docker image to the publish on a Docker Hub, and Docker Hub to connect to the app service. Yes, we are using. So app service Azure. Your question is Azure app service. Basically, we are using deploy time. Yeah. Yes, actually 2 years back ago we are using Azure AWS. AWS inside we are using EC2 instance similar to app service. So EC2 instance like basically which OS using Ubuntu. We are using Ubuntu is creating one platform, and inside platform we are required wise installing software like PM2 for the continuously running Node.js, and some another also tool we are installing in Ubuntu. And once the Ubuntu is ready, then deploying on the your Node.js on live like this. Also bucketing we are using for the file storage, routing also we are using. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, basically we are using ngrock. Ngrock is also a different way. So basically you can ngrock, so you have a system and you locally set up node.js. Your once your local setup is running, so then you can create a ngrock url and ngrock url to passing to the front end team, so any react team. So react team is consuming the ngrock url, and your the system is running, then you can access the ngrock anywhere. So not a specific one single router inside, anywhere we can using ngrock, and we are consuming the local endpoints. So once stop the ngrock url, then stopping your the local codes. This is way. Another, you can create a docker image and docker through the clone the another system and using docker local path like this. Ngrock basically mostly we are using, but tester inside tester system inside available docker configuration, then we are using docker. Multiple way available. Yeah. And yeah, basically node.js inside one library is very important. Nodeman is basically we are using, so which tracking your the which API is hitting, your node is running or crash, where is your crash. So log is very easily tracking. Nodeman, yeah, correct. Mm-hmm. Okay, see, rebase basically means like this. So you changes some code and pushing to the like this any develop branch, and some your senior saying ki, oh, this is your the wrong. Okay, some cases you pushing code, but you need a go to one step back. Then you can using rebase concept. I think yeah, hard and soft. There is also concept coming. Rebase, reset. Yeah, actually rebase and reset similar concept, but normal changes. I am using rebase, not reset. Only the theoretically I know reset, but not a practically using. Node.js, you can actually some online course available. So you saying I am getting any certificate in Node.js, correct? Not like the specialization, but college level I got it. College level there is local competition is happened. Then I got it Node.js certificate. Not a like industry level. Okay, yeah. Thank you. Yeah, guys. Anything? Benzu. Okay. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. 6:30. Okay, sure. No problem. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.